Hi students, today I am going to introducing you a new chapter, that is mensuration. Okay, have you heard this name? Mensuration? You know very well about the mensuration. Okay, mensuration is nothing but measurement. What is the meaning of mensuration? Is measurement. Okay, so can we measure the any object? Yes, we can measure any object by using instruments. Okay, suppose if you want to measure the length of this rectangle. Okay, so it has 4 centimeters, 2 centimeters, so 4 centimeters, 2 centimeters. So what is the length of this square? So rectangle. What is the length of this rectangle? So that means it has 2 lengths and 2 breadths. Okay, in the rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. All sides are not equal. Okay, now one length is having 4 centimeter and another length is 4 centimeter. So it has 2 breadths. These are the breadths. The 2 breadths are 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters. Total 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So what is the length of this rectangle? So total is 12 centimeter. So that means the measure of the sum of the measures of all the sides of rectangle, or the sum of the measures of all the sides of any closed figure, any closed plane figures are called the perimeter. So perimeter is nothing but, perimeter means the sum of the measures of all the sides of closed plane figure. So this rectangle is a plane figure. Okay, so it is made up of the line segment. It has the 4 sides. The opposite sides are equal. All sides not equal. Is it clear? So what is the shape of this? So it is the shape of square. Square means the all sides are equal. How many sides it has? 4 sides it has. Okay. Suppose it is ABCD square. Each side is 2 centimeters. Then what is the perimeter of this square? Perimeter means sum of all sides. Okay. Total length. So that is total length is how much? So one side is 2 centimeter, another side is 2 centimeter, third side is 2 centimeters, fourth side is 2 centimeters. Then total is 8 centimeters. This is the perimeter of a square. Not only that, the plane figure, that is a triangle, it is a closed figure. So one side is 3 centimeters, one more side is 3 centimeters, and one more side is 3 centimeters. So all the sides are equal. Then we can say that it is an equilateral triangle. The perimeter of this equilateral triangle is sum of 3 sides. It has 3 sides. That is 3 plus 3 plus 3. Total 9 centimeter. This is the perimeter of equilateral triangle. Is it clear, children? Now tell me, what is the perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of the measures of all the sides of a closed plane figure is called the perimeter. So in the introduction class, you are learning now perimeter. What is the perimeter? What are the uses of perimeter? So the uses of perimeter is the farmer wants to fence his field. Okay, farmer is there. So he compulsory he wants to fencing. So he wants to fence the field. Why? Because he will protect his field from the birds or any insect. So that's why he wants to fence his field. Okay, so that is the use based on the perimeter. Okay, so an engineer who plans to build a compound wall. Okay, around his house, compulsory compound wall is there, na? That is also based on the perimeter. So next, a person preparing a track to conduct sports. So person compulsory in the beta, if you see compulsory one track is there. Okay, so in a sports compulsory track is there. For that purpose also, the perimeter is using. Okay, so what these all are based on the idea of perimeter. Okay, the idea of perimeter is used in our daily life. That is, engineer wants to conduct a compound wall around his house, and a farmer wants to fencing his field, and next the person, that means the sports, for sports, that person preparing a track. So these all are based on the idea of the perimeter. So this is the use of perimeters. And right children, so take your textbook. So see in the page number 206, the uses of perimeters are there. Now take your notebook, keep heading mensuration, right? The mensuration is nothing but measurement. And next, write the definition of perimeter. Perimeter. So what is the definition of perimeter? This definition, so you have to write in your notebook. So write neatly. The definition is, perimeter is the sum of measures of all the sides of a closed plane figure. Closed plane figure. Any side, any figure mark. So whatever it may be, it has how many lengths. So you leave that. First, you have perimeter means sum of the measures of all the sides. Square has 4 sides. That means 4 sides of total length. Triangle has how many sides? 3 sides. So perimeter of means sum of the lengths of 3 sides. Like that. Okay, na? So not only that, we have regular polygons, that is pentagon, hexagon, heptagon. Okay, so quadrilaterals. So these all are the polygons. So we can measure the lengths also. So that means here perimeter is the sum of the measures of all the sides of a plane figures. Okay, right. Now take your textbook 206 page number. Try these problems are there. See. First one, measure and write the length of 4 sides of the top of your study table. Observe here, study table is there. Na? Here length, the shape of this table, see how it is. The opposite sides are equal. So like if you see, it is a rectangle shape. Okay, na? So what is the length? What is the breadth? Everything you have to measure. Okay, na? So this one I am giving to you homework. So here he has given sum of the lengths of 4 sides. What is the length of AB, length of BC, length of CD, length of AD. Each and everything you measure and write in the textbook, and finally you show the perimeter of that table. Okay, na? So this one take homework. And next see second question. Measure and write the lengths of 4 sides of a page of your notebook. Sum of the lengths of 4 sides. Okay, it is your textbook. Suppose this one. So here it has a, so see, it has 4 sides. Okay, it is the shape of a rectangle. We have to measure this length, this breadth, again this length, and this length. These 4 sides of length we have to measure and write each side. Finally show the perimeter of notebook. It is textbook. Okay, you measure the notebook. What is the length of your notebook? Use ruler, you measure your notebook. Right, so that one also. I am giving to you homework. Okay, so in the notebook page one page, so you can measure the notebook or so you can measure the page of the notebook. This page also you can measure, right? So third one, see, Meera went to a park 150-meter long and 80-meter wide. She took one complete round on its boundary. What is the distance covered by her? See here, Meera went to a park. She went to a park. So here long means length. Okay, long means the length. Wide means width. Okay, so Meera went to a park. She went to a park. So that park has some length and width. What is the length here? Long means length. Okay, now so length here 150 meters. The length of the park one side is 150 meter and 80 meter wide, 80 meter width. So this is 80 meters long. She took one complete round on its boundary. What is the distance covered by her? So what did she here? She has done one complete round. Okay. So suppose if you will go to park, all members are walking around the park. So like that, she went to a park. The park having the length 150 meters and the width is 80 meters. She has completed one round around the park. So then how many meters? What is the perimeter? How much distance she has covered? So does she cover how many meters? Yes. So here, see, first she has started from here. Okay. So she has started 150 meters. Again she turned 80 meters. Again she moved like this. So the total length is 150 meters. After that, she has reached the same place. This is the complete revolution. This is the complete round on its boundary. This is the boundary. Okay. So she has started first 150 meters. Again, she turned like this 80 meters. Again, she moved. So same distance. Okay. So finally, she has reached her destination. So the total how much distance she has covered? So total means 150 meters. Second 80 meters. After 150 meters, then last 80 meters. Okay. So 150 plus 80. How much? 150 plus 80. Total is 230. Next, 230 plus 150, again 0, 8, 3, 380. Still 80 meters is there. So again add, that is 460 meters. She has completed one round. So that is 460 meters length she has covered. Now how much distance Meera completed? 460 meters. So this is the perimeter. Okay, na? The perimeter means sum of the lengths of measures of all sides. She has started here and turned 80 meters again. She wants to reach the same place. She has completed one complete round means compulsory how to measure all the sides. Okay, na? So right. See, this is the third question. Answer. This is the third question. You write down in your notebook neatly. So see, next fourth question. So what is that? Read. Fourth question is find the perimeter of following figures. So what we have to find here? Perimeter of following figures. Okay, perimeter means sum of the lengths of all sides of any closed plane figure, Right. Here we have to find the perimeter of the following figures. First figure, see what is the shape of this figure? Is a rectangle. Name of the rectangle is A, B, C, D. It is A, B, C, D rectangle. It has two lengths, two breadth. Okay, two lengths are equal, two breadths are equal, not equal to all sides. All sides are not equal. Okay, the opposite sides are equal. That means length equal, breadth equal. What is the length of AB? 40 centimeters. BC 10 centimeters. CD 40 centimeters. And AD 10 centimeters. 10 centimeter. Now we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter means AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. AB length is 40 centimeters. BC is 10 centimeters. CD length is 40 centimeters. And DA is 10 centimeters. Now add 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 40, 90. 90 plus 10, 100 centimeters. Now tell me what is the perimeter of this rectangle, ABCD rectangle? 100 centimeters. So write this one, you write down, you fill in the textbook and notebook also. Right? Next, see second figure, that is B figure. So what is the shape of this figure? Square. Square means all sides are equal. What is the name of this square? This is a ABCD square. Okay, each side is having 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeter. Now perimeter, we have to find the perimeter. So perimeter means, so we have to measure 4 sides of length. One side is, that is AB, BC plus CD plus DA. AB length is 5 centimeters. BC length is 5 centimeters. CD length 5 centimeters. DA 5 centimeters. Now add all the lengths. 5 plus 5, 10. Plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 centimeter. This is the perimeter of a square, that is 20 centimeters. See third one, C problem. So it is plus shape is there, na, red cross symbol. Right. So draw this figure neatly and write the name A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Okay. So length of AB here 1 centimeter, 3 centimeters. So here CD 3 centimeters. Next to DE 1 centimeter. FE, that is 3 centimeter. FG 3 centimeters. Here 1 centimeter. HI 3 centimeters. IJ 3 centimeters. And KJ 1 centimeter. KL 3 centimeters. And AL 3 centimeters. Okay, children? Now we have to find the perimeter of this figure. So write perimeter is equal to, first write AB plus BC, next to CD, DE, EF, FG, next EF, FG, GH plus HI, HI. After that IJ. Next IJ after JK. Next KL. Next LA. Right. Okay na? Now we will write the length of AB. AB length is 1 centimeter. Units compulsory. 1 centimeter. BC length is 3 centimeters. CD length is 3 centimeters. Next DE length. DE length is 1 centimeter and EF length 3 centimeters. Next FG length is 3 centimeters and GH length 1 centimeter plus. Next HI is 3 centimeters. IJ 3 centimeters. JK 1 centimeter. KL 3 centimeters. LA 3 centimeters. So the figure of lengths we have written now. Now we will have to add. Plus means add. Now add 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11 plus 3 14. 14 plus 1 15. 15 plus 3 18. 18 plus 3 21. 21 plus 1 22. 22 plus 3 25. 25 plus 3 that is 28 centimeters. Now tell me what is the perimeter of this figure? 28 centimeters. So like that you have to find the perimeter of any figure. Okay, right. And last that figure is the problem. So the figure draw in your notebook. So draw the figure neatly in your notebook. That is, so whenever you want to draw, compulsory use the ruler and pencil. Don't want to draw without instruments, anything. Right. Then here the name of the figure is A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, these are the irregular polygons. Okay. Right. Here the length of this AB is 100 meters. BC is 120 meters. CD is 90 meters. And ED is 45 meters. And EF is 60 meters. And FA is 80 meters. Now we have to find the perimeter of this figure. So right, perimeter is equal to right AB BC plus CD plus DE EF plus FA. What is the length of AB? 100 meters. Length of BC 120 meters. CD length 90 meters. DE length 45 meters. And EF length 60 meters. And finally FA length 80 meters. So these are all the lengths of this figure. We have to add now. So write this one in the orderly. That is 100, 120, 90, 45, 60, 80. Now do addition. 0 plus 5, 5. So 2 plus 9, 11. Plus 4, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. Plus 8, 29. Next 2, 3, 4. So how many meters? 495 meter is the length of this. That means the perimeter of this figure. 495. Okay, right children. So up to now we have completed based on the concept of perimeter. Right. Now I am giving to you homework So take the homework today, page number, so in the chapter 10, page number 206. Try these problems. Question number 1 and question number 2. So question number 1 and question number 2 we have to solve. Okay children. Still if you have any doubts regarding this perimeter, okay. So only today we have solved perimeter problems only. How to find the perimeter, what is the definition of perimeter, what is the mensuration, okay. So what are the uses of perimeter, okay. How the perimeter idea is applying in our daily life. These all things we have learnt today. Still if you have any doubts, join in the Zoom class. We can clarify your doubts. You have to send your homework in the Google form only. Okay, bye students.